Father, do you have
Away. But good coordination, fast reflexes, and good judgment are of the utmost importance. Therefore, the Heineken life-saving rules prohibit.
Das kennst du wahrscheinlich so von dem Urlaub oder so verstehen. Das ist die Firma. Die mussten nicht involvieren, die mussten aber Urlaub machen.
Fraser Leaf is a local soft drink guy. Fraser Leaf and F&N, and then shop at F&N and Heineken is the hub.
Tiger Marina.
the Tiger watch? $50. Do you want one?
But how do you know they were looking for it? Or
Oh, they advertise in the newspaper.
like
you
who
can
advertised
get
the
up.
memorabilia can contribute.
Yes.
So you got like a certificate.
Yeah. No, that's all.
Okay, right, so welcome to the ingredient zone. So there are four main ingredients that we actually use to brew tiger beer. The first one being malt. So malt or malted barley contributes greatly to the character of our beer. Our imported malt are from Belgium, Germany, France, and Australia. Right, so as you can see, there's two types of malt available. Pale malt, which we use mainly for our lager beers, and roasted malt, which we use mainly for our stouts. Okay, so usually I'll let you guys touch and feel it, smell it if you want, but because of COVID restrictions, I cannot allow you to do that. Okay, so that one smells a bit like coffee. Okay, so moving on. The second ingredient that we actually use are hops. Okay, guys, if you want, you can come and take a closer look. Right, so this is hops in its original form, our imported. Okay. So hops helps to balance the sweetness of malt beer with a refreshing bitterness that leaves a pleasant aftertaste. Our imported hops are from United States, Oregon, and Germany. Okay. Right, so moving on, the third ingredient that we actually use are yeast. So yeast are single-celled microorganisms that help to ferment malt sugars to produce alcohol and other signature components. Okay, so there are two types of yeast as well. Top fermenting yeast, mainly used for our ales, wheat beers, and stout, and bottom fermenting yeast, mainly used for our lager beers. So for tiger beer, we use a specially cultured strain of yeast from Holland. Okay. Right, and the fourth and final ingredient is water. So beer is actually made out of 95% water. We use the local water supplied by the PUB, Public Utilities Board of Singapore, which is then further treated to eliminate chlorine. Okay, so for now, just a fun quiz. Right, so can anybody tell me how many liters of water do we need just to brew 1 liter of Tiger beer? If you get it right, you have a free pint of Tiger beer from me. Oh,
10 liters.
10 liters? Okay, that's a little bit too much. It's just for 1 liter of Tiger beer.
0.95.
Zero. No, wait, what? 5.4. Oh my god, yes, 4. Right, so congratulations, you have a free pint of Tiger beer from me. Okay, right, so let's move on to the brew house. And over by this way. Inside the brew house through conveyors. So the silver pipe lining that you see, the one at the top, so those are actually conveyors. Okay, and before we move on into the brew house, please note that photography from this point on is strictly prohibited. Right? Right this way.
Pretty good.
This is a kind of like souvenir from us. Yeah.
Oh, thank you.
Oh,
Thank you. Yeah, got it there.
Alright, so are we walking?